in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? Back on tapping back in with another vlog. I appreciate y'all tapping back in for another one. Before we jump into this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and thumbs up this video, y'all. Let's get it. Right now, I'm on my way to the thrift, but real quick before we take this trip to the thrift, I had to tap back in with y'all because I know I haven't been uploading on a weekly basis like I would want to. But the thing is, y'all, just because I'm not putting videos out weekly, y'all see I'm trying to make better videos. I'm trying to get better, you know, as far as my communication with the camera, and just overall I'm trying to get ready for that next level, you know, for the channel and my lifestyle. So it take a little bit of time, but just because I'm not in the forefront, you know, putting videos out weekly like I would want to, don't mean that we're not getting that work put in, y'all. So just keep that in mind. But I had to tap in with y'all just because I appreciate everybody that done subscribe to the channel so far, and I'm looking forward to growing with y'all because, you know, like with this YouTube, I feel like it'll be certain things that's pushing me. Like, you know, I might want to scale it back a bit and kind of work on other stuff like music, but then something happen in my personal life that'll push me like, nah, man, you got to get back on the vlogs, you got to tap in. So it's kind of like, man, I'm trying to go left, you know, the universe kind of pulled me right, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go forward, the universe will kind of give me that big kick in the back, you know, pushing me forward even faster than I kind of wanted to go. But I can't really argue, you guys, because this is what I wanted, this is what I signed up for. But really, it's just a lot of sacrifices that go into, you know, what I'm trying to do, you guys. I've been living in Washington State probably like almost 2 years now. I ain't seen a lot of my friends or family back home in Ohio a little over a year now. I ain't seen my dog back home in Ohio a little bit over a year. I done missed out on so much back home, but it is what it is. Sorry, y'all, I was getting a call real quick. I had to decline that just because I'm on the vlog. But the thing is, like, I done missed out on a lot back home, but I know putting in the work and, you know, like where I'm trying to get to, it's gonna be a time for reflection and being able to look back like, man, you know, like how far I came in. I can really do that almost every day. Like, my quality of life is good, you guys. So, you know, what I'm trying to say is, if you got to take those leaps of faith to make your quality of life better, sometimes y'all got to do stuff for you. So don't be scared to take them leaps. If you're really thinking about taking a big leap of faith, you know, your situation probably won't be too much worse off than it already is. So, but take that with a grain of salt, you guys. But I just want to say I appreciate y'all rocking out with me. I secured the female from my boy American Billy Santana. Y'all see that? We done secured the Gucci North Face collab. And we done popped up on the Dodge Demon. So I've been trying to start the year off with a bang. But really, I figured the best way to start off the year on the channel would just be to tap in with y'all, give y'all a quick update video. And just, you know, we about to rock out, y'all. We about to hit them new levels. I'm searching for a Hellcat right now. It's still gonna be videos coming out with the Daytona, y'all, so stay tuned for the content with the Daytona. You know, I might even keep this joint and just go lease me a Hellcat. I really don't know, but it's all about them leaps of faith though, y'all. So we about to jump into this thrift store. I'm gonna see what I can find. I'm gonna hit up probably 3-4 different thrift stores and then just head to the house, y'all, because I was out running errands. But I've been wanting to make this video and tap in with y'all for a minute and just give y'all an update vid and let y'all know what I'm up to, man, because I know it's been a minute since I jumped on the camera. I'll be having a whole lot going on in my personal life, y'all. If you really know me personally, then you know like some of the stuff that be going on. But just from my YouTube subscribers and all that, it's just a lot of sacrifices that go on with, you know, with how I'm living. And I'll just leave it at that, y'all. So we about to go into the thrift store. Stay tuned. Mushrooms. I don't know what's going on. All right, we in there, y'all. Let's go. I found them too much except for this vintage champion shirt. I'm gonna end up leaving this one though. This is a cool vintage piece. Put some paint stains. All right, YouTube, just came out to Thrift. Ain't find nothing worth buying. Really, that tank top was smooth, but I'm not really buying nothing for the personal side, and it had a stain on the front, so I was just gonna pass on it. Well, I'm gonna pull up to like 2 or 3 more thrift stores. I want to at least make it home with something today, y'all, so fingers crossed we gonna make it home with a nice piece, but you can't force it. And really, I'm narrowing down kind of how I'm buying stuff, so it is what it is. But you can always hit up a thrift store, buy something, and resell it online, y'all. So don't get discouraged just because I didn't come out there with nothing. Don't mean that you can't make no money thrifting, because you can always make money thrifting. It's always money to be made, you know. And take it from somebody who y'all seen in the Gucci store spending, and y'all seen me in the thrift store spending. And you know, they both crazy, you know, rare cops to me. So it is what it is, y'all. It's just about, you know, sometimes getting outside your comfort zone, not caring about what other people say, you know what I'm saying? Because while other people talking, look what I'm doing, riding around in the Scat Pack. So, you know, it's really no limits to when it comes to how far you want to go, you know. And it's just for me, I'm speaking for myself, you know what I'm saying? Because other people do other things. Like, you know, one thing that I really think is true, and I take seriously, is that nobody's path is the same, you know, or everybody's path is different. So how I'm getting it and how the next person getting it is going to be totally different. But what you can do is take notes, you know what I'm saying, and apply it to your game, because it's free game in my opinion, you know what I'm saying. In these videos, I really had just take y'all around, and if you go back on my channel, you can see videos where I'm going into thrift stores and I'm walking out with a $100 t-shirt for $5, $6, you know what I'm saying. So it's just free game, y'all. Stay tuned. We're gonna hit up the next thrift store. I'm gone. All right, YouTube, so I'm at the second shop now. I'm about to pop in here and see. They just opened this location up, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to find something smooth. Stay tuned. See, I'm rocking the Travis Scott, the Cactus Trails right now. Yeah, check this out too. They just brought out this NES, but the thing is, it's $100. Let me try to on camera. It's $100, so I don't know. There's not really too much to be made. It's like they price matching them, but it's still a cool cop. Check out this original Xbox right here. It's $70, but it's sweet. You just don't see these like too much anymore, so I'm gonna leave it where it's at though. Quick find. Seattle Supersonics. Got the Gary Payton throwback. $4 for the Gary Payton throwback. All right, YouTube, so I just came out of the thrift store. Y'all see that original Xbox in there, and that original Nintendo was crazy, man. But the price on those was just a little bit too high. But I swear, if those was like half the price, I would have scooped them both. And today would have been like a perfect day, the OG Xbox and the OG Nintendo. But it is what it is. I'm not dropping $200 on those. They might sit for a little while, but it is a rare cop. But the thing is they're kind of selling for that online. Granted, a store like this wants to make as much as possible, so they'll price match the stuff online. But, you know, at a thrift store like that, I don't think that some of the items, you know, like this Gary Payton jersey was $4. They're price matching some of the items online, so it is what it is, you guys. I wanted to make this vlog just to tap in with you guys. I figured going to the thrift store will be a sweet way, you know, just to tap back in, you know, touch base with y'all, you know, motivate y'all, just show y'all it's still some bread out there, even if it's, I'm spending $5 at the thrift store, but this jersey worth what, 45, 50 bucks. So, you know, hopefully this motivating y'all, you know, just bringing the new year the right way. You know, a couple of things before I wrap this video up. I just want y'all to know that I've been dropping music at an alarming rate. I'm talking a mixtape a month, sometimes 2 mixtapes in 1 month. So y'all hear my music in the intro and the outro. If y'all like my music, head on over to my SoundCloud. The link is in the description, you guys. My SoundCloud is monetized, so I make money off SoundCloud, meaning when you guys play my music, like my music, playlist my music, it makes me money, you guys. It helps me all these little videos cost me money, you guys. I don't really complain or bring up the money aspect because, you know, it's kind of what I signed up for and I enjoy doing it. So I wouldn't be spending money on these YouTube videos, spending money during the videos if I didn't really enjoy doing this stuff, you guys. But the support is always appreciated. So make sure to rock out with me, you guys. We really just bringing in 2022 the right way, grinding it out, you know, trying to capitalize. The stuff we doing is different, y'all, from the vlogs to the music to the tips, you know, to the whips. Like, you know, we in a 392. I'm about to go even bigger for the Hellcat, y'all. So stay tuned. If y'all want to see when I go buy my Hellcat, make sure to subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all stay tuned for new videos. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video, y'all. We need all the thumbs up. This year, 2022, we breaking the YouTube algorithm. Bake One channel is going up. At this point, it's really just, y'all want to say, was you here early? Support me early or not? Because we going up regardless, y'all. So until next time, until next video, I appreciate y'all rocking out with me. Keep baking up, staying true. I'm gone.
I secure that bag, on my way to the cash. I need the racks,